Let's learn D sharp / E flat on the trumpet. The first thing we should probably do is buzz it on our mouthpieces. So listen carefully and try to match the pitch with your buzz. 1, 2, 3, and buzz. Although D sharp and E flat share the same pitch, they sound the same, they are spelled differently. D sharp sits right below the treble clef staff, while E flat sits on the first line. Now, we finger these two notes the same way. We finger it with the second and the third valve, and then we kick out the third valve tuning slide to help with intonation because this note tends to be sharp. Let's get some practice playing this note.